But the plan all along is great when companies like Samsung listen to feedback and actually understand what made their product line special, unique, and stand out from the rest. The introduction of the Watch 5 Pro was very much welcomed, but the removal of the rotating physical crown was a decision that took away the soul of the Galaxy Watch lineup. Now, with the return of the Watch 6 Classic, sees the return of one of the best hardware designs for navigation on a smartwatch. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is our quick hands-on and comparison with the Watch 6 Classic and Watch 6, seeing what's new and the differences. The approach from Samsung when it comes to the design and build of the Watch 6 Classic and Watch 6 is down to having a refined design and taking what works and bringing back what made the Galaxy Watch lineup iconic and stand out from the rest. The Watch 6 Classic brings back the much loved rotating physical crown, which makes navigating the watch interface much easier, faster, and a better visual experience as there is less reduction in the amount of times you need to press on the display to navigate. The Watch 6 still has a clean flat circular display with access to the digital rotating crown. Thanks to the reduction in bezels by 30% on both the Watch 6 Classic and Watch 6 with a 15% thinner rotating crown, respectively, the viewing experience is larger by 20%. This results in new sizes for both watches, with the Watch 6 Classic using a 47 and 43mm frame, while the Watch 6 is working with a 44 and 40mm frame. This means a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display for the larger Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic with a 480 by 480 resolution, and a 1.3-inch Super AMOLED display with a 432 by 432 resolution for the smaller size watches. What's good to see is the display is rated with a max brightness of 2000 nits for better visibility outdoors, coupled with an always-on display adjustment feature. This is a solid upgrade so far. It's honestly so good to see the return of the physical rotating crown, and for the wearable watch lovers of the Galaxy Watch series, this is definitely a delight. For specs and performance, all Watch 6 models are powered by the new Exynos W930 dual-core chip at 1.4 GHz speeds, an increase to 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. The battery capacity for the large models is 425 mAh and the smaller sizes is 300 mAh. This is an increase from the previous Watch 5 models minus the Watch 5 Pro at 590 mAh. This new W90 chip should be more efficient, and with the increase in battery size, we should hopefully see an improvement to the general battery life of the Watch 6 series. Software is running One UI Watch 5 on Wear OS version 4. Although hard to showcase in this early hands-on situation, a lot of focus is being placed on the Watch 6 series helping to improve your sleep by making it easier to track your sleep, which builds on the Watch 5 with things like sleep messages, in-depth analysis with sleep score factors, which measure total sleep time, your sleep cycle, awake time, and with the added enhanced sleep coaching, which all integrates into the Samsung Health experience. From new personalized heart rate zone analysis features, custom workouts, irregular heart rhythm notifications, menstrual cycle tracking, and fall detection, there is a lot when it comes to software additions to One UI Watch 5, even down to the ability to use your watch as a camera viewfinder when using your Galaxy smartphone camera. Pricing for the Watch 6 starts at £289 and goes up to £369 depending on the size and whether you choose to purchase the Bluetooth or LTE model. The Watch 6 Classic starts at £369 and goes up to £459, which again depends on whether you choose the Bluetooth or LTE model. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy Watch 6 series? Are you happy to see the return of the physical rotating crown on a Watch 6 Classic? And did you expect to see a Watch 6 Pro? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.